Scary Reddit Stories, Part 1.
She saw something we didn't. Mary's room, also known as the knowledge argument, is a philosophical concept concerning a hypothetical woman named Mary who has never seen color. She has only ever existed in a black and white room. Mary studies the world through books and a monochromatic television screen. She reads about colors, but she does not experience them visually. Can the universe be fully understood in purely physical terms? The answer differs depending on whether one believes that we know fundamental truths about reality a priori, without experience, or a posteriori, with experience. In other words, will Mary learn anything about color when she leaves the black and white room? It was a thought experiment. Nobody was supposed to actually do it. However, in 2007, a group of researchers sought to answer that question. And the experiment they conducted would have been condemned by boards of ethics across the globe. But these were not ethical scientists, and this was no ethical organization. I would have decried its actions back then. This wasn't why I joined the agency, but I was afraid. After all, they were willing to put an innocent baby in a colorless prison cell, doomed to grow up in near solitary confinement, save for a nurse dubbed Nanny. What would they have done to a whistleblower? I don't know how they found the baby, and I don't want to know. Whether a parent willingly gave her up, or one of the scientists intentionally bred her for the experiment, the result remains the same. A baby, named Mary, in honor of the philosophical concept which inspired the horrifying experiment, was placed in a white windowless foam-padded cell. She was blindfolded whenever her nurse entered the room to provide food, formula, and fresh clothes. Always the same black onesie, with coverings like mittens and socks to cover her hands and feet.